Hi guys, I'm back again for another video with our city engineering kit, and today's challenge is to build a guardrail. And I kind of looked at this before I got started, and I'm going to help you all build the highway system, but then you guys need to figure out how you're going to do the guardrail. But I think you'll be able to do that. So let's get started building the superhighway and for your guardrail, because we already actually built a superhighway last time. So this time you need 4 of the large blue ones. Whoops, sorry guys, here you go. You need 4 of these. You need 2 orange ones, like those. You need 1 of the very small blue ones. You need 4 of the little gray pieces that are like little sticks. 3, 4. You need 16 of the large gray pieces. So let's move those over. So I think we'll count by 4s today. 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, that's all of them. And you need a flag. 1 flag. Okay, let me re-angle this camera just slightly and see if... Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to just kind of make some space here, is go ahead and put legs on, and legs, by legs I mean the dark gray ones. Put legs on one of the blue pieces. My legs are stuck together. Here we go. Hate it when that happens. Okay, and then attach an orange piece to your blue piece. And remember last time I discovered that you don't have to snap them together because that's really kind of hard. You can slide them. Check that out. Okay, and then add some legs to that one too. Okay, and another orange piece, you're going to do the exact same thing. Slide it in and add 4 legs to it. Okay, and then your last blue piece you're going to attach at the end here. I'm just sliding it in, and so you can slide them either way. And that one just kind of is down like a little ramp here. And then, off the side from this back blue piece where we started, you're going to attach another blue piece, but off to the side. You're not making a big long line. We're starting to come off to the side now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it in here, and then I'm going to put the legs on it from underneath. If you need to kind of turn yours around a little bit so that you can see it better, that's okay too. I'm trying not to rearrange it too much because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. But we'll see if I am able to do that or not. Because as you can see, okay, I got to turn mine around because I'm feeling like that one's not going in. So hang on, I'm going to spin it around. I'm going to get this last leg on, and then I'll spin it back the way it's supposed to be. Okay, tucking that last leg in there. There, whoops. Okay, it's in. Okay, now I'm spinning it back the way I was supposed to have it. Okay, and then from there you're going to slide another blue one in right here, and that one kind of just hangs down a little bit like that, and then attached to that is going to be this with these guys underneath it. So I'm going to go ahead actually and put my legs on first. Those go like this and like this. I got one more. Oop. And then this one is gonna, oops, let's see. Does it slide in this way? Let's see. Hang on. I'm going to figure out which way it slides and then I'll show you. Because the picture in the diagram isn't real clear. I'm going to look again here. Yeah, it's not real clear exactly how it goes on here. So let me mess with it and then I'll tell you what I figure out. Does that fit in like this? Oh, okay. Well, no, that doesn't seem like it. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it's just propped there. So here's what I did. Let me show you what I did. What I did was I found the edge that has like the little hinges, and I just kind of propped it on there like that, and then you can add your flag to the very end here like this. There, okay. So, there we go. Okay, mine's a little crooked, so let me straighten it up a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to get my truck, and this time I think I'll put the yellow guy in the truck. There he is. Okay. So, your challenge today, if you notice, hang on, I'm trying to get comfortable on the floor here. Your challenge today is, if your little guy is coming along here on his highway, and he takes this turn too fast, which could happen. Let me turn the flag a little bit just so that you can see. What can we do to make this safer? He could literally kind of like drive off the edge. And if you've ever noticed when you're on an actual road, when you are on an actual road, alongside the road are guardrails, and they're usually like made of metal, and then there's thick cables that go through to protect the drivers, so that if they go too far to the edge, they have something to hit so that they don't actually go off the road. So, what can you do to this design to make a guardrail? So, my suggestion would be to maybe think about some of the posts that are like this, or even the super tall ones, and think about that rope that you have, and could that be used as a cable? And could you find a way to make a guardrail so that your little hard hat guy in his truck is safer on this road? So let me know what you figure out. And remember, if you get stuck, you can flip the card over and look at the back for some helpful solutions.